we are dreaming of something big, we cannot execute in that. If it is not possible, we have to dream big. रेवती कीर्ति सुरेश, लक्ष्मी मैडम निर्मला सीतारामन, तानाजी सुदीप किच्चा, सायप्पा साई कुमार, प्रदीप पुष्पराज, सुजाता मैरीकॉम, काव्या सुधामूर्ति, सकू रचिताराम, मारुति पुनीत राजकुमार, बसवराज, दर्शन. For all of us, for people, for the world, it may be just a language. It may be just a language, but for all of us, it's very hard thing to learn because we all are struggling to learn it. And just to learn it, we are starting one show, Students Talk Show. Just to learn a language, just to involve in the character, just to get some opportunities to speak. So now all have been given the characters. So I want you to play with 100% enthusiastic character. Understood? So remember always, until like I am sharing you the deep of this social world, social media world, anything we are doing or anything you are doing, it should be valuable. If it is not valuable, only waste people will watch. So we don't want waste people to recognize us. We want only students, we want only popular, we want only people with vision, passion should recognize us. If we give value to the content, all good people will recognize us. If we don't give value to the content, only some 24 into users will recognize us. Even if they recognize, we don't give that popularity. And we should add information into that. I mean to say, we should educate our viewers. We should educate the people who are watching, who are spending their precious time for watching us. We should give value. We should educate the people. The last, we should entertain the people. If these three are added, it is certain in my plan that it will go viral. What Bigg Boss does? Entertainment. Mostly what Bigg Boss does? Entertainment. And also it educates others. Directly or indirectly, they show the lifestyle. What these singing reality shows they do? They value, they entertain, they educate. These three steps are followed up carefully. So I am also trying to add these three steps in our show, and I am making you aware of it. You should try to educate. Like, education is our first priority. Education is our first priority, and we should try to educate with good speaking. Whenever questions are being asked to you, you have to respond in that way. You have to respond in the role whose character you are playing, right? And we have to value everybody. We have to respect everybody. Even I respect everybody. You have to respect everybody. You have to respect off the camera, on the camera, and also who are not present here. We have to respect them too. We have to respect the people whose character we are playing. Because you are playing the character, you should talk good. Because if you talk bad, their identity is spoiled. Because we are playing their character. At least, if you are playing the character of Rachitaram, so this video should reach to Rachitaram. Rachitaram should get shocked. Oh my God, who is she? I want to meet her. If you are playing the role of Pushparaj, that Allu Arjun should watch this video. This video should reach to that Allu Arjun, and Allu Arjun should say, "Oh my God, as it is, he is doing wow. I want to meet him." If you are playing the role of Nirmala Sitharaman, this video should reach to Nirmala Sitharaman so that she could offer you 150 lakh rupees. So See, I tell you, until we are dreaming of something big, we cannot execute in that. If it is not possible, we have to dream big. We have to dream big so that at least we could reach to half. If our mission is just to at the ground level, then we cannot reach as we have expected. So we have dream to reach to everybody, to reach to every person in India. So let's make it reality. Along with please, I request now all of you to make my dream as your dream to execute. Yes, now the characters who have been assigned now, Revati, Kirti Suresh. ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ರಿಹರ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್, ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. Another announcement that I want to make. Dress code is not our institutional t-shirts and no ID card is wearing while the show is being run. So no skill motive institutions, ID cards and t-shirts are followed up. You have to follow up the character whose you are playing. You have to follow up the dress code. Not 100%, not 100% casual dress code. At least that should relate. If it is Virat Kohli, wear shoes like good shoes, like haircut, like shirt or t-shirt. He always wears t-shirt with Bluetooth or headphone. If it is MS Dhoni like with muscular body, he wears always t-shirts. Do you have a problem in this? Please talk to me. If you have a problem to follow their costumes, you can talk to me. Everybody can follow? Everybody. No institution t-shirt should be wearing. No institution ID card should be wearing. Without it, you have to follow the character's role. So all will take another 20 to 25 minutes to understand their character. While watching their character, watch videos. While understanding their character, make some points out of that. The good points that you have to add in. Revati, Kirti Suresh, Lakshmi Madam, Nirmala Sitaraman, Tanaji, Sudeep Kicha, Kicha Sudeep. Actually, what happened? You first said Sudeep, then in bracket I wrote Kicha. Sayappa, Sai Kumar, Pradeep, Pushparaj. Already he is ready. Sujata, what is his name? Mary Kom. Change. You become boxer. Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar came. Just you hit us. Okay. You can give punch. Don't do it. Kavya, Sudha Murthy, Saku, Rachita Ram, Maruti, Punit Rajkumar, Baswaraj, Darshan, Akshata, Priyanka Chopra, Sushma. See, go deep into the character. Understand the proper body language. Understand the speaking style, costume style, behavior. If they are something like dancer, come like dancer. And another thing I want to tell, everybody's entry will be very interesting. Because the way entry takes place in Bigg Boss, like some other reality shows, I want everybody's entry to be like this. When you are entering the stage, so all will give huge round of applause, all will make you proud. And what happens, the actual theme of the show is that, suppose if I am invited, I am sitting here, I am invited. If I am in the character of Rahul Gandhi, let's say, Rahul Gandhi. Shall we start? भाई और बहनों, आज मैं आप सभी जर्नलिस्ट के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा जो देश आज लड़ रहा है उसको मैं प्रेजेंट करने जा रहा हूँ. Involved in the matter. People are watching me. So many cameras are set. That means you should not laugh and you should not go out of the character. Don't go out of the character. That should be your priority. Once you have involved, till the end, keep yourself totally engaged. Okay, and the thing is that how everything goes. If I am called as a host, I will be inviting, and the moment you are standing up from your chair, you have to come in the character, proper character. Like you have to come in the proper character. And when you have reached, arrived on the stage, and here you have to be proper character, and you should introduce yourself in the proper character. Like example, I am Rahul Gandhi. Example, I have come here. भाइयों बहनों, आप जानते हो मैं राहुल राठौड़. I am playing the role of Rahul Gandhi today. So let's meet with question answers. Then you introduce, staying in the same character. You introduce yourself. You said your name. You said your name like Tanaji. Then immediately you have to add title whose character you are playing. So with that we can clarify everything what is happening. Right? Just said, I'm playing the role of this. Then let's meet with questions. Then you went back and you took your chair properly. Then and again, when some first guest sits down, I invite another guest. Right? I invite another guest. Another guest will come and follow the same curriculum that first guest followed up. Comes in the same character, introduces and sits third same. Then I will be sitting here. I will be asking you first round question. There will be 3 rounds question. In first round question, I'll ask one by one. First person, first question that I ask. And when you are sitting, you should be in the proper character. Until everything gets closed, don't leave the character. From here, you are coming and you are playing the role, introducing yourself like Pushparaj. Ready? Take your characters, get involved.